Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll illustrate the direct steps I use to create my acrylic name pendant. I'll show very simple, straightforward steps I use. I hope you're coming from the last video I made, where the idea to start showing and sharing my process just came on, and I took it up and just captured my screen right as I was drafting, as I was about to be done. So I didn't have all my tools ready, it wasn't all prepped, but I'm hoping you got some value. So I ended up concluding the order to the client without capturing it and videoing the finishing process where I finished with resin. So I'm making a follow-up video to show how I would normally do it, except today I'm using a UV resin because I just want to illustrate how I normally do it. The important thing is to make sure the Lasercut piece, the Lasercut name on top is properly coated. Once it's completely coated, it carries enough resin to drip correctly over the backing. If you apply so much on the backing and then put the name on top, you can get an overflow and everything is going everywhere. So you see my UV resin, I've applied it on the silicone mat and trying to get it all over my piece, the top piece, the top component, I mean. So, but it hasn't held sufficient amount or quantity of it. So I have gone in with a little bit more of the UV resin to apply on top. So summarily, I finished with two basic steps, which is to coat the top piece appropriately and then gently place onto the backing. This is especially important for me because there's an effect I get when just the right amount of resin is used, where the holes in the lettering, the dips and the bumps, they catch the light in the right way. So if you have the resin overflowing, which you will see in the cast off piece of the silver piece, if you have it overflowing too much, you have, once the resin is cured, you have this piece that has the bumps in it doesn't come out as well, which is why I would normally make use of a two-part resin in a container and then completely immerse my Lasercut component with inside that, so that I can ensure, just as I'm showing in the video above, I am showing the last part just to depict this. So to ensure that the item is completely coated, and then as I get a pick to pick that out, shake off some of the excess before I gently place it onto my backing. It ensures just the right amount goes with the with the piece, and it would drip just right. Just thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick with me because I promise I'm getting all my tools ready now and I have some great ideas for amazing pieces. I hope you will enjoy watching. I will be coming up with more videos very soon. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.